Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make garlic ginger pickle. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of peeled garlic cloves and 1 cup of fresh ginger. Carefully peel both, then thinly slice the garlic and julienne the ginger. This precise preparation is key for the pickle's texture and flavor. Ensure all your spices are ready for the next steps. Next, combine your prepared garlic and ginger in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, mixing thoroughly to ensure even distribution. Let this mixture rest for about 30 minutes. This crucial step helps draw out excess moisture, which prevents spoilage and concentrates the flavors. After resting, stir in 2 tablespoons of vibrant red chili powder for a delightful kick. Now it's time to cook. Heat 1/2 cup of mustard oil in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Once hot, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few fresh curry leaves to temper the oil, infusing it with aromatic flavors. Carefully add the garlic and ginger mixture, stirring constantly. Cook this for about 10 minutes until the raw aroma disappears and the mixture softens slightly. To finish, stir in 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Continue cooking for another 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the vinegar to slightly reduce. Once cooked, remove the pan from the heat and let the pickle cool completely to room temperature. Transfer the cooled pickle into clean, dry, airtight jars. Properly stored, your delicious garlic ginger pickle will last for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.